Hello students, let us continue with chapter 4 Quadratic Equations. In this session we will learn how to find roots of an equation. Roots of a quadratic equation. What do you understand by this? See, if you take an equation x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. See, this is a quadratic equation. Here a is what? Coefficient of x square is 1 and b is coefficient of x, it is 2, and c is the constant term. Okay, here the middle term 2x should be split in such a way that it should be a product of these two terms. See here, the product of 3x and minus x is minus 3x square. It is minus 3x square. And the product of this x square and minus 3 is what? Product of these two is minus 3x square. See here, we got these two terms same, right? So we should split the middle term in such a way that these two terms, the product of these two terms should be equal to the product of these two terms. Okay? X square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Here I am splitting 2x in the form of 3x minus x. Okay? Minus 3 equal to 0. Here I am taking x common in these two terms, x into x plus 3. Here minus common in these two terms, minus 1 into x plus 3 equal to 0. Here x plus 3 into here x minus 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Here if we take this one term equal to 0, then what would be the x value? X equal to minus 3. And if we take this term equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 1. See, these two are the roots of this quadratic equation. These two are the roots of this quadratic equation. That means if we substitute x equal to minus 3 or x equal to 1, we get the value of this quadratic equation 0. Okay, let us check this one. Here, if x equal to minus 3, here x square plus 2x minus 3 is what? It is minus 3 whole square plus 2 into minus 3 equal to, here minus 3 whole square is 9, minus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. It is 9 minus 9, that is 0. Here this one is correct. And if x equal to 1, then x square plus 2x minus 3 is what? Here x is 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 3. It is 1 plus 2 minus 3, that is 3 minus 3. That is 3 minus 3, that is 0. See, we got this also correct. So here minus 3 and 1 are the roots or the zeros of this quadratic equation. Roots can also be called as zeros. Okay. See, we will see examples that are given in the NCERT book. Okay. Find the roots of the equation. Find the roots of the equation. See, this is the equation by factorization. Okay. See here, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. See, we here minus 5 should be split in such a way that the product of these two terms should be equal to the product of these two terms. Okay. Now here minus 5x can be written as minus 3x minus 2x. Can it be written as like this? Yes. See here, minus 3x minus 2x is minus 5x. Okay. Now if we multiply these two terms, minus into minus is plus, 3 into 2, 6x square. Okay. And if we multiply these two terms, what are these? 2x square into 3. It is what? 6x square. Okay. See here, both are same. So yes, this can be, minus 5x can be split this way, minus 3x minus 2x. Okay, we will write this one, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus, we will write here 2x, so that we can take 2x common from these two terms. Okay, minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Here take 2x common, x minus 1. Here take 3 common, minus 3 common. It is x minus 1 equal to 0. Here 2x minus 3 into x minus 1 equal to 0. See, if you take this term equal to 0, if you take 2x minus 3 equal to 0, then what is the value of x? Okay, x equal to 3 by 2. Okay, we will write this as 2x equal to 3 and x equal to 3 by 2. Right? Right? See, if we take this term x minus 1 equal to 0, then we get x equal to 1. Okay, see, we get x equal to 1 and x equal to 3 by 2. These two are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, therefore the roots of the quadratic equation, equal to 1 and 3 by 2. Okay, see here one more thing. See here, in this equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. See here, minus 5x cannot be split as like this, minus 6x plus 1 plus x. Okay, this cannot be done like this. Okay, why? See, if we multiply these two terms, what do we get? Minus 6x into x is minus 6x square. Okay, and if you multiply this term and this term, what will it be? 2x square into 3, that is 6x square. So here plus 6x square and here minus 6x square. So this both are not equal. So this one cannot be done like this. Okay. Next one. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Here 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So here minus x should be split in such a way that these two terms, the product of these two terms should be equal to the product of these two terms. Okay. Now here minus x can be written as minus 4x plus 3x, minus 4x plus 3x, right? See, if we multiply these two terms, what will it be? Minus 4 into 3 is 12 x square. Okay, and if we multiply these two terms, what is the product? It is 6x square into minus 2. It is minus 12x square. See, here both are same. Okay, now here we will split this way. 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So this will be 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Take 2x common, it is 3x minus 2. Okay, take 1 common, it is 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, here 3x minus 2, this term, into 2x plus 1, into 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, if you take this term equal to 0, 3x minus 2 equal to 0, then 3x equal to 2 and x equal to 2 by 3. Okay, if you take this term equal to 0, 2x plus 1 equal to 0, then 2x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, see, we got the roots as the roots of the quadratic equation. The roots of the quadratic equation are 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, here we can verify this, if these two roots are correct or wrong, by substituting in this equation. Okay, let us verify these two. Okay, 6x square, see here, if we take x equal to 2 by 3, okay, 6 into 2 by 3 whole square minus of 2 by 3 minus 2, what it is? 6 into 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, minus 2 by 3 minus 2. Okay, here 3 3s are 3 2s are 6. Okay, here it is 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 2. Here take LCM, that is 3 in these two terms, and 8 minus 2 minus 2. Okay, here it is 6 by 3 minus 2, that is 6 by 3 is 2 minus 2, that is 0. Okay, see, this is correct. Okay, if we take x equal to minus 1 by 2, x equal to minus 1 by 2 and substitute in this equation 6x square minus x minus 2. Okay, here 6 into minus 1 by 2 whole square minus of minus 1 by 2 minus 2, that is 6 into 1 by 4 minus of minus 1 by 2 is plus 1 by 2 minus 2. Okay, 2 2s are 2 3s are, that is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 2. Okay, take LCM in these two terms. It is 3 plus 1 by 2 minus 2, that is 3 plus 1 is 4 by 2 minus 2, that is 4 by 2 is 2 minus 2, that is 0. See, here also we got 0. Okay, so these two roots are correct. These two roots are correct. Okay, next one. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2 root 6 plus 2. See, this is the equation 3x square minus 2 root 6 plus 2 equal to 0. Here this term minus 2 root 6 x. Okay, here there should be x. Okay, minus 2 root 6 x should be split in such a way that the product of these two terms should be equal to the product of these two terms. Okay, see, here we write this as minus 2 root 6 can be written as minus root 6x and minus root 6x. Okay, can we write like this? Yes. So we will see the product of these two terms. Here minus and minus will be plus, and root 6 into root 6 is 6. Okay, 6x square. Okay, now let us take product of these two terms. Okay, it is 3x square into 2. Okay, it is 6x square. So here both are same, so we will split this way. Okay, here 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Here 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Here 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, right? Root 3 into root 3 x square minus root 6 x minus root 6 x plus c 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Okay, equal to 0. Now from these two terms take root 3 common, root 3x. Okay, it will be root 3x minus root 2. Okay, see, a root 3 into root 2 is root 6, and from these two terms take root 2 common. Okay, minus root 2 into here root 3x minus 1. Okay, sorry, minus root 2. Okay, see, here one more root 2 is left. Okay, equal to 0. Here this term root 3x minus root 2 into root 3x minus root 2. Okay, root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. See, here if we see these two terms are same. Okay, these two terms are same, so we will find out the value of x. See, root 3x minus root 2 whole square equal to 0. So root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. So root 3x equal to root 2 and x equal to root 2 by root 3. X equal to root 2 by root 3. See, this is one term. This is one root, and see, here there are two terms, right? There are two terms of this same term. Okay, so the other root is also root 2 by root 3. Other root is also root 2 by root 3. So the two roots are same, that is root 2 by root 3. Therefore, roots of quadratic equation are root 2 by root 3 comma root 2 by root 3. Okay, we can verify this. We can verify if these roots are correct or not by substituting in this equation. Okay, let us substitute. See, x equal to what we got, root 2 by root 3. Okay, 3 into root 2 by root 3 whole square minus 2 root 6 into root 2 by root 3 plus 2. Here 3 into root 2 whole square is 2, root 3 whole square is 3, minus 2 root 6 into root 2 by root 3 plus 2. Okay, here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Here root 3 into root 2, here it will be root 2. Okay, root 3 into root 2 is root 6. Here 2 minus 2 into, see, root 2 into root 2 is 2 plus 2. 2 minus 4 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. That is 4 minus 4, that is 0. Okay, we got the value of the quadratic equation 0 for the value x equal to root 2 by root 3. So, root 2 by root 3 is the root of the equation. Next one, find the dimensions of the prayer hall having carpet area of 300 square meters with its length 1 meter more than twice its breadth. Okay, see here, length and breadth are given. Length and breadth of a prayer hall is given. That means the prayer hall is in the form of a rectangle. Okay, hall, so it is in the form of rectangle. Okay, here it is told area is 300 square meters. Area is 300 meter square. Okay, now what is the area of a rectangle? It is length into breadth. Length into breadth equal to 300 meter square. Okay, and what is the condition given? With its length 1 meter more than twice its breadth. So length is 1 meter, more means plus, 1 meter more than twice, 2 times its breadth. Okay, 1 meter more than twice its breadth. Okay, here we need to find the quadratic equation, and that has only one variable, but here we have length and breadth, two variables. Okay, let us convert this into one variable. Okay, we have this two equations. Okay, so let breadth of the rectangular hall, breadth of the prayer hall equal to x. Okay, see this breadth is x. Okay, so length equal to, substitute in this equation, length equal to 1 plus 2x. Okay, and you substitute in this equation as well, and see here, length is, what is length? L, and breadth is x, equal to 300. Okay, here we have this value. We have length equal to 1 plus 2x. Now you substitute in this equation. It is 1 plus 2x into x equal to 300. It is 2x square plus x equal to 300. Bring 300 to the left side. 2x square plus x minus 300 equal to 0. Okay, now split, this is the quadratic equation. We have to split the middle term in such a way that the product of these two terms should be equal to the product of these two terms. Okay, now what are the factors of 300? It is 2 into 150, 2 into 75, 5 into 15, 5 into 3. Okay, and here into 2. Okay, see the product of this A and C is what? It is 2 into 300. That is 2 into 300 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3. Okay, here multiply these two terms, I mean this 2 power 3 into 3. Okay, into 5 square. Okay, multiply these two, what it is? 2 cube is 8, 8 into 3 into 25. Okay, 8 into 3 is 24 and 25. See, here is this possible. 25 minus 24 is 1. So we will split this x in terms of 25x minus 24x. 25x minus 24x. Okay. Here, if we take the product of these two terms, what are these? 25 into minus 24 is what? 25 into minus 24 is, it is 25 can be written as 100 by 4. Okay. Into minus 24. 4 into 6. It is minus 600. Okay. This is minus 600 and the product of these two terms is 2x square into minus 300. That is minus 600x square. Okay. These two are same. So, we will split in this way. Okay. Here 2x square plus x, 2x square plus x minus 300 equal to 0. That is 2x square plus 25x minus 24x minus 300 equal to 0. Okay. Take here x common. X into 2x plus 25 minus, take here 12 common in these two terms, minus 12 into 2x plus 12 into what is 300? 12 into 25 equal to 0. See, this is 2x plus 25, 2x plus 25 into x minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. If you take, see, if you take this first term 0, 2x plus 25 equal to 0, then 2x equal to minus 25, then x equal to minus 25 by 2. Okay. And if you take this term equal to 0, this term, then x minus 12 equal to 0, that is x equal to 12. Okay. See, the value of the breadth, it cannot be in negative terms. So, this is wrong. So, it is 12. So, breadth equal to, breadth of the prayer hall equal to 12 meters. And what is length? What is length? Length equal to, here it is 1 plus 2x. Okay. Length equal to 1 plus 2x. That is 1 plus x is 12. Okay. 1 plus 24, that is 25 meters. So, therefore, length equal to 25 meters and breadth equal to 12 meters. Okay. We end this session here. We will do exercise 4.2 in the next video. Thank you.